Today we going students our part 2. Yes, in the revision session your SAT theory. Today I also taking to IMP question related for board exams. Taking u is equal to n is a natural number universal taking, and set a given x such that x minus 8 equal to 3, then asking a complement. Options are there. So very easy. You just calculate that x minus 8 is equal to 3. So what is the x? 8 plus 3 will be 11. So your set A is clearly known. You have to only 11. But I want to A complement. So A complement is a universal minus A. My universal is what? N. And A I have 11. So that's your A dash is a n minus 11. You tick your options D. I again repeat, all of you students, please join the class before 5 minutes. Mishwa and Ritika, join the class before 5 minutes, please. Second one. Taking u is equal to universal 1 and 5 in the close bracket, and a is equal to x such that x belongs to n, x square minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then asking a complement, and this is your just little difficult questions, because that options are printed, one of the 1 5, second open bracket 1 5, third close bracket 1 5, and here minus 1 comma minus 5. Again I repeat, your set intervals given to in the curly bracket, open bracket related parts. Students, I first calculate my this splitting, x square minus 6x plus 5. I think you know I want to 5 splitting, but obtain 6. Definitely 5 ones are. So it should be x square minus 5x minus 1. Take it to common. One of the x common, x minus 5. Minus 1 common, x minus 5. It means you create a simple 2 elements for the set A. X minus 5, x minus 1. Definitely one of the 5 and one of the 1. This is your set A in natural number. 1 comma 5. But I want to A complement. Yes, this is a different. So look at that. Here A complement, which is universal minus A. And what is your universal? Universal is a close bracket 1 to 5. And A I have in the curly bracket 1 to 5. It means you draw the particular your drawing. That's your close bracket 1, and here students close bracket 5, and both between all elements I will just remove 1 and 5. So 1 remove and 5 remove. So what you get answer? Your answer is a open bracket 1 to 5, because 1 I remove, 5 I remove. So this option is your correct answer. Again in repeat, in close interval 1 to 5, close interval means 1 include, 5 include. But I want to subtraction 1 5, so also 1 remove and 5 remove. So including 1 5, here excluding 1 5. So between as all elements you will define to subtraction. This is the IMP questions. Question number 2. Now moving towards next question. Third one. Yes, again same taking same parallel questions, and that is also IMP. Taking u is equal to our close bracket 1 comma 2 and A set x such that belongs to natural x square plus x minus 2 and asking A complement. Yes, must be you write the options, students. My first option is open bracket 1 2 close bracket 1 2 close bracket 2 curly bracket 1 2 and open bracket 1 2. Students, curly bracket means they are particularly only 1 and 2 answers. Now I will first explain about that. X square plus x minus 2 and go to simple splitting. That is the splitting 2 ones are. So x square plus 2x minus 1x minus 2. You will take just common between that and you create your value of x and value of y. Arya beta, please join the class before 5 minutes. Try to join all of you students before 5 minutes. You will take common x plus 2 minus 1 again x plus 2. So you have to x plus 2 and x minus 1. It means your two elements easily done. One of the x plus 2 0. X is equal to minus 2. Same x minus 1 is equal to 0 1. But you wait and check your question what they printed. Natural number. Here also printed natural number. So your answer is natural number 1 5 defined, but here not defined. This is not a natural number. Only this a natural number. So your set A purely 1. Now I go to final answer. I want to A complement u minus A. What is your u? Close bracket 1 2 minus A is your 1. So just I again draw my number line. Here 1 is close bracket. So it is a dark circle positions. This is your close bracket 2. And I want to 1 remove. So between that you all numbers present, but this I remove here only 1. In this case I remove 1 and 5 both. So 1 extract and 5 extract. Here only 1 is removed. 1 is removed means your answer is what? This one first. Your answer is a close bracket 2 confirm, but 1 is open bracket. Are you clear why open bracket? Because 1 is removed from in this drawing. 1 is not counted. Other than 1 is all portion counted. That's why my answer is that. You can't write down this and this. This answer if you true 1 2, if you 1 and 2 both remove, then your answer coming. Now moving towards next one. Fourth. Fourth also students very interesting and IMP level questions. In a residential colony, 50 families speak Gujarati. Means number of Gujarati people 50. G for Gujarati, yeah? And 30 families speak Hindi. So number of Hindi people 30. And 10 are families to speak both Gujarati and Hindi. Both means Gujarati and Hindi. So you will cover that G intersection H. And asking that how many families speak at least. Question is how many family speak at least one of the language. So very easy. At least means one and more than one. So you can create here simple two your Venn diagrams, your number of the Gujarati speaking and number of the Hindi speaking. Gujarati speaking you have to 50 and Hindi speaking is a 30. First of all you submit your center value. Yes students, This center value submitted. What is the center? 10. Now remaining data I arrange. 50 minus 10, it will be 40, and 30 minus 10, it will be 30. So number of G or H, or means you consider it is a union, and formula is the number of Gujarati people speaking, Hindi speak, and Gujarati Hindi speak. N of G I have 50, 30, and that is the 10. It is 80 minus 10 will be 70 people. At least one subject is speaking. So 40, 50, 60 and 70, you also add them these. That also you cover your answers. And very simple, but you just meaning apply at least one, means one or more than one speaking types define G or H. Now next, moving to next question, question number 5. In the 5th, also the interesting, define roster form of the given set A x such that x cube minus x is equal to 0 but belongs to Z. Roster form means you calculate the only elements. I this explain x cube minus x, and only try to taking common x common, remaining are x square minus 1. Again further calculate these two are 1 of the x plus 1, 1 of the x minus 1. In short, you have 3 elements defined, first, second and the third. So your answer is here minus 1, here plus 1, and that is x is equal to 0. So your set A in roster form clearly minus 1, 0 and the 1. So that's your simple answer is done here. Okay. Now moving towards next questions. Dhruv Patel. Continue, 6th one. 6 also very interesting, students. Find in the listing elements. Yes, but particular set given A x such that belongs to natural, but 4x is more than x square by listing elements is dash dash dash. You just define your list elements. So simple, I just explain this one, 4x greater than x square, and simplify in the smallest to smallest. So 4x more than x square, you will just 1 x is remove, only 4 more than x, indirectly x less than 4. Why I return greater to less? You know that, students, 1 less than 2 already known, but if you make the position change, 2 first right and 1 after that, definitely it will be change the inequality. Whenever you 1 less than 2, you exchange the position, 2 more than 1. Same principle here, 4 more than x, I exchange the position, x less than 4 in the natural number. So numbers are ready. Below 4, but natural number, it is 1, 2, 3. So my set A is ready, finished. Only 1, 2, 3. So that principle I apply here. 1 x is remove here, and then you get easily answer. Now moving towards next questions to 7th one. Now I going to some deeply questions. Define in the roster form. Similarly, 7th. Set 8, which is 2n. N belongs to natural in roster form. Students, this is your answer, 2n. And n become, you know, the natural. So respectively I will taking n is 1, 2, 3. So just start my solutions. If n is natural number 1, then 2n become 2 into 1. Next, if n is 2, 2n become 2 into 2 will be 4. Similarly, you further just write down one more 2, 3 questions. So if n is equal to 4, I mean 3, 2n is equal to 2 into 3. Just one more write down 4. You easily clear. Your answer is going to all are even numbers, but also in natural. So your roster form set A is clearly known 2, 4, 6, 8 dash 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 up to till last. It is an infinite set. Yes students, that is your infinite sets. Now moving towards next questions. Similarly going ahead, 8th questions. Yes, 8 also same, but just like deeply they are given in the integers. This question given in the natural, but now I explain in the integers. So 8th one, set A, just a 3k minus 1 in the parts of k belongs to z mentioned in roster form. You check here, that is your k but given in the integer. So I start the integer process. Yes, k belongs to z. So what are the number k? Yes, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That like many numbers in the z, I will start one by one all. So if k is equal to minus 3, 3k minus 1, k I have minus 3 minus 1, just put it, calculate, minus 9 minus 1 minus 10. Next, k is equal to minus 2. Similarly, 3 of minus 2, minus 6 minus 1, which is minus 7. Next, k is equal to minus 1. This is only for example students. You will check any numbers between that, but I just taking to integers. Now we are minus 3 minus 1, which is minus 4, minus 9 minus 1 minus 10, minus 6 minus 1 minus 7. Now minus 1 putting them, it is minus 3 minus 1. Continue. Next, if k is equal to 0, 3k minus 1, k is 0, my answer is minus 1. Similarly, if k is equal to 1, just I get answer is 2. So end of that, so my set A is ready for many answers. Many, because it is a only particular number I take. There are many answers to minus 10, minus 7, minus 4, minus 1, 2, dash dash dash. Right side also moving same, left side also moving same. This is only for example, because I want to roster form in the terms of k belongs to z this answer 3k minus 1. So apply that 3k minus 1s, all values one by one. Now continue. Now reverse given to 9th one. Find the values in the form of set builder forms. Set builder form apply, and question is there. Hed Patel, 9th. set builder form defined in the of set A 5, 10, 15, 20 is dash dash dash, only that given. Definitely it is a multiple of 5. You know that it is 5 unza, that is 5 twoza, that is 5 threeza, and that is 5 fourza. It is multiple of 4, so I write down the set builder form multiple of 5. So 5n natural number, but below, how many number below? 4, n or equal to. So I just write down here 4. Again repeat, why written here 4? Because it is a 4, 5 is a last to last, ending is 20. That's why I written in the natural number up to n less than or equal to 4. And this over sum 10. 10 also same is to represent by the property forms. So your question is set A x such that 2, 5, 10, 17 dash 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 is expressed in property form. Yes, this question students I will write down the options because this is related to options wise. I just explain. My first option is n square plus 1, n belongs to z. Second, n square plus 1, n belongs to natural. Next, n cube plus 1, n belongs to n. And last, n square minus 1, n belongs to n. Here option is given, that's why I written students. So particular option wise you will check which answer is correct. So don't worry, I going to slowly each and one parts. Just to look at that, your number is moving 2, then after 5, then 10, then 17. There is no gapping, but option read plus 1, plus 1, plus 1 and minus 1 given. Let's check your option number first, n square plus 1. So you know that n square plus 1 have n, apply any number. Any number means z apply, either n apply. I apply n. N is 1, 2, 3, 4. Just put here and what you get? n1, it is 1 square plus 1. 2 coming. Yes, we success that. Now if n2, just apply 2 square plus 1. Again 5 coming. It means we also success that. Continue. If n equal to 3, n square plus 1. That is the 3 square plus 1, 10. Yes, again coming. It means your answer is first, either second. These two not. But here given n and z. So I also both explain, don't worry. n4 apply. 4 square plus 1, 17. In short, this answer first, either second is true. But first is wrong, belongs to z given. If I z number taking 0 for the n, definitely it is not true. Just I check here. If n is 0, then n square plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1, and this data is not given in your sets. It means this also wrong. Your option is only and only second one. So your last answer, set A, is written that n square plus 1 such that n belongs to n. Are you clear why z is removed? Because if I put it 0, then not covered to your answers. Otherwise cover that. Plus or minus 1 take, plus or minus 2 take, plus or minus 3. Define answer. But these are not defined according to in the z number 0 putting them. That's why I write my answer is correct, B, and that's your final answer, set A in your property forms. Now continue question number 11. 11 also same way I explain. Similarly, question is given elements, just method write in the question number 11. Set A 2 5 8 11 dash 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 expressed in dash dash property method. Here also options given. I just write the option 3n plus 1, n belongs to natural. Second, 3n plus 2, n belongs to natural. Third, 3n minus 1. And last, D, 3n minus 2. Students, this question also you will start your option wise. Otherwise, you will start your arithmetic progressions. Already you studied in 10th standard. This is gapping is not same here. See, there are 3 gap, 5 gap, 7 gap. That's why I go to options. But in these questions, gapping check 3, 3, 3. So you going that your simple way arithmetic progressions 2, 5, 8, 11 are in AP. And AP formula you known. A is the first term, difference D, and Tn formula also known, A plus n minus 1D. So without option you also check this sum. But if you difference are not same, so you will check by option wise. So here I apply A is 2, D is the difference 3, 3n minus 3, 3n minus 1, and that option is clearly here given. That is your C answer. So your set A is mentioned this answer 3n minus 1, n belongs to natural. Either you can try by this way, n is 1 putted here, you can getting 2, 2 putting getting 5, 3 putting getting 8, 4 putting getting 11. But when they apply, if you terms are in the same difference, then you can apply by arithmetic progressions. Are you clear, students? Continue. Question number 12. Yes, 12th also very easy, but IMP. Set A have n element, n elements, then number of proper subsets of A is dash dash dash. This also, students, IMP questions, and that also I explain by the option wise. This many time asking in exam. 2 raised to n minus 1, 2 raised to n minus 1, and here 2 raised to n minus 1 of minus 1. Here asking the proper subset. I explain about the proper subset by the simple example. Just example, I just A taking 1, 2. You know that is the subsets are formula known you. 2 raised to n, they are 4 total, and subsets are simple. Students, I explain by the example wise, then after I explain the options. Null set 1, 2, 1, 2. There are the only 4 subsets, but I want to proper subset. Proper subset means nothing. There are null set A, 1, 2, and this is your A, original. These 2 are removed. Again, these 2 are removed. Remaining are your proper subset. Therefore, if you asking proper subset, it is only 1 and 2. It means 2 element always you can remove. So in this sum, here also proper subset is that because your given set element have n elements. So 2 raised to n minus 2. And you say which option I take? This is your answer. 2 raised to n minus 2. Say anybody which option I take according to A, B, C, D. Anybody visible? Students, which are the 2 raised to n minus 2 in your option 4s? Just tell me and say your answers. Anybody? Nobody? Yes, tell your answers. Which option is answer already written? 2 raised to n minus 2, because there are 2 null set and A, I remove that. Remaining are 1 and 2. That's why here also these are the answer, 2 raised to n minus 2. This? No, that is not. This also not. This also not. Your answer is this. Because if you calculate, power it is same. So base R you added 1 plus n minus 1, this cancel, 2 raised to n minus 2, check, this is same answer. So this you write down first of all your example wise, after that this understand the answers. So always asking number of proper subset is what? 2 raised to n minus 2. Okay, write proper. Now go to 13. But this numerical by the understanding this example wise. So you first write this example. Okay, same question I taking by the related 13. Set A have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then number of proper subsets are dash dash dash. Formula is this. Only define n. How many n elements here? Anybody tell me please, how many n elements? Which is 6. So number of proper subset 2 raised to n minus n. These are written. And n you know only and only 6. So 2 raised to n 6 and n is here, sorry, minus 2, by mistake I written n. 2 raised to 6 is a 64. So your answer is 62. And that's your 62. Why here to remove? Because null set and initial set is removed from that. Now continue 14. 14 also IMP in the exam levels. Set A have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then how many proper subsets are here? Can you guess how many elements here in these questions? Just students give me a reply, whatever may be answers. Students, are you listening me? There are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only 4 elements are there. N of A have 4 only. In this case total are 6 elements individually. Here are 1 individual, this 2 only, this 3 and that 4. So number of proper subsets, formula is that same, 2 raised to n minus 2. So 2 raised to 4 minus 2. And the simple calculations. 2 raised to 4 is 16 minus 2. That should be 14 elements to apply in your proper subsets. Now students continue one more, and similarly number of the subsets which are non-empty. One more questions to related these questions. Topic is same. Continue. 15. The number of subset of the set A 1, 2, 3, 4 which is non-empty. Non-empty means, students, these are empty, you just remove, means only one remove. So formula is that same. Here number of elements A will be 4 and non-empty subsets it is a 2n minus 1. Again I repeat, why minus 1? If you null set and A remove, they cover to your all proper subsets. But if you asking non-empty proper subsets, so only this null set is removed. That's why only one I remove, and that is a 2 minus 1, 16 minus 1, and that element is a 15. So yes, very easily done here. I hope students you understood this topic for the subsets and proper subsets. Now continue. My question is a 16th one. Yes, only asking again same topic, the number of subsets of set A have given A, B, C, D, E, F, which are non-empty set. Same questions, are non-empty. So again check, but how many elements here given? 1, 2, 3 according to this one. So here number of element is a 3. So non-empty sets, non-empty subsets, proper subset are 2n minus 1, and answer is a 2 minus 1 will be 8 minus 1, that is only 2 minus 1, 8 minus 1 is a 7.